How Belentino works, a 4-phase journey that keeps you informed and your project on track, from first meeting to final handover. Every Belentino project follows 4 distinct phases. Each phase has clear deliverables, defined milestones, and transparent communication throughout. Discovery, design, build, and finishing. No ambiguity, no surprises, and no shortcuts. This is how premium renovation should work. Phase 1. Discovery. We visit your property, understand your goals, assess the building fabric, and identify opportunities. We look at structural condition, planning constraints, access, and neighborhood context. You receive a written summary of options with indicative costs within 48 hours. This is where we listen, ask the right questions, and establish the foundations of a project that truly reflects what you want to achieve. Phase 2. Design. Architectural drawings, structural engineering, planning applications where required, and a detailed NRM1 cost plan. Every pound accounted for before we break ground. Our design team coordinates with structural engineers, party wall surveyors, and planning consultants to deliver a complete, buildable scheme. You approve every material specification, every layout decision, and every cost allocation before a single trade sets foot on site. Phase 3. Build. Controlled demolition, groundworks, structural steel, first and second fix. Weekly written updates with photographs. Fortnightly site meetings. Real-time budget tracking throughout. Your project manager coordinates every trade, manages every delivery, and resolves every issue before it becomes a problem. The build phase is where precision matters most, and where our structured approach truly sets us apart. Phase 4. Finishing. Kitchens, bathrooms, decoration, flooring, landscaping, and final snagging. Building control sign-off and a 12-month defects liability period included. This is where the vision comes to life. Every surface, every fixture, every finish is installed to the specification you approved in Phase 2. We don't cut corners at the end of a project. We sharpen them. What makes Belentino different? 3 core principles underpin everything we do. Estimating with quantity surveying rigor. Management through a single point of contact. And reporting with complete transparency. Beauty. Intino, intent. It is in our name. Principle 1. Destimating. Every project is costed using NRM1 aligned elemental cost plans. You see trade-by-trade breakdowns, not lump sums. Contingency is built in, not discovered later. Your budget is sacrosanct. No number gets discovered mid-build. Every trade, material, and preliminary is costed before we break ground. You decide what goes in and what stays out, with full visibility at every stage. Principle 2. Management. One project manager owns your build from start to finish. No handoffs, no gaps, no excuses. You always know who to call and they always know your project. One person who knows every nail. Your project manager carries the complete picture from day one. One call, one relationship, 0 handoffs between strangers. Problems get solved before you even know they exist. Principle 3. Reporting. Weekly written updates with photos. Fortnightly site meetings. Real-time budget tracking against the agreed cost plan. No surprises, ever. 52 written updates a year. 0 surprises. Every week, a written report with photos lands in your inbox. Every fortnight, a site meeting. Real-time cost tracking means you always know exactly where your money is going. How we price your project. Most builders give you a number. We give you a cost plan. Our estimating process is based on the RICS new rules of measurement, NRM1. That means your project cost is broken down into elements, substructure, superstructure, internal finishes, services, external works, and preliminaries. Each element is priced at current market rates, with clear quantities, unit costs, and totals. You can see exactly what drives the cost and make informed decisions about where to invest and where to economize. What you receive: an elemental cost plan aligned to NRM1. A trade-by-trade breakdown of every cost. A material specification schedule for every element. Contingency allocation, typically 10 to 15%. A preliminaries cost breakdown. A program with key milestones. And a payment schedule linked directly to progress. Everything you need to make informed decisions, with nothing left to chance. Start with a free initial consultation. We will visit your property, discuss your goals, and provide an indicative cost range within 48 hours. This is Belentino. Beauty with intent.